Moraine State Park, the jewel of western Pennsylvania. And neighboring its 16,000 acres, a retreat into the relaxing and peaceful setting of picturesque Portersville. Bear Run Campground is a haven of family fun and scenic adventure that invites you to take a load off, take it easy, and take in the beauty and excitement of western Pennsylvania in a way that few places can. A place where you come together, and then come back for the memories, where smiles are painted on every face. At Bear Run Campground, every piece of our exciting history is a personal gateway to future discovery, paying tribute to our tradition of making family memories one generation at a time. So this season, let's do more than just get away. Let's go somewhere together, to an experience, and take the first step on a summertime journey through all the treasures and discoveries of Bear Run Campground. And as evening falls and we gather around the fire, let's reminisce together on the day's adventures and start planning our next escape to the jewel of western Pennsylvania.